Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you what will be in the Maggie Holmes Garden Party kit. So if you're interested, please let me know. And I only have 4 kits, so be quick if you want to have one. I already have some items here for you to see what's in the kit, and also some items that I have for my giveaway as well. That will be part of the kit also from the garden party. So yeah, you will have a double up chance to win some goodies. So let me start by showing you what's in the giveaway, and then I'll share with you all the goodies that I have here laying up for you. So what will be in the challenge, for the giveaway, are these 2 handmade hand crocheted items by Patricia. These are so beautiful. So this will also be part of the garden party kit as well. So they will differ. Maybe I will put in for the giveaway another color, and put in for your kit another color. So but these are the items that will be a hoop and a beautiful hand crocheted flower. So that's for that. And I also will be adding in the giveaway beautiful handmade rosettes. These are 2 examples of what will be in the giveaway. And I will, as I go through this, I will also show you again what will be in the garden kit. So that's for that. And these 2 flowers, these will also be in the kit and also for the giveaway. So stay tuned for all of those. And yeah, it's possible to ask if you would love to have only like purple or pink flowers. I mean, it's possible to ask me to create pink flowers. And but basically I will share with you when the kit is finished. I will show you the 4 kits individually, but I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of what you can expect in the garden kit. So as I mentioned, these 2 flowers will be in the garden kit. That's for that. Also 2 beautiful embellished, ready for you to craft with rosettes. And these 2 beautiful hand crocheted pieces, and they will differ by kits, because I have 4 kits, so they will be different. But I will try to put a hoop and also a flower in each kit. So that's for that. Then I have laying here a beautiful set of the garden party stickers. It's a sticker roll. Of course, you might have seen it already on various hauls. And these are the stickers that will come in the kit as well. So I will put 1 sticker sheet or 1 roll in each kit. So you will have or the flowers or the bows. So they will be different. So that's for that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say about that. And I also ordered the washi. So for the washi tapes, you will have 2 washi tapes, but they will be different as well, because this is what I have now. But they will be different in each kit. But stay tuned for that if you want to know exactly. I will also have in each kit a set of enamel dots that will be, of course, coordinating with the colors that you have in your kit. These beautiful colors. And yeah, that is also a beautiful add-on. You will also have some sheets of this. This is the sticker sheet. You will have some sheets of that as well. I will put in a great selection for you. So stay tuned for that as well. Also a package like so, a sticker, a full one. Because these are, yeah, they're so cute. So yeah, a whole package will go also in the kit. And of these ephemera pieces, you can take a look here on what's inside. The ephemera pieces were also diverse. I will share them as I create the kits, and you will see how many pieces will go in the kit themselves. But I will try to do some vellum pieces and also some larger pieces, smaller. So yeah, quite a great diversity of ephemera pieces. And I will also be adding some original, like vintage pieces as well from my own stash to this collection, because I have like beautiful vintage items that will match this collection really well. So I'll do that as well for you. Then again, a beautiful sheet. It will be or this side or this side. So yeah, so you will have a full sheet, but only one. So that's for that. And these are so beautiful. I just love these beautiful elements. And of course, of these elements, I have some beautiful original pieces, vintage pieces, and I will add them as well to my kits themselves. So stay tuned. And the same is for the sticker, the puffy sticker. You will have this side or this side. And of course, these beautiful puffy stickers are, yeah, they're so cute. They are so diverse, and yeah, I cannot say enough about the quality of the puffy stickers themselves. And these are so beautiful, so cute. And this is the back, like so. And this is also one of my favorites. I will probably add something like this as well to the kit, but in a trim. So we will have some laces, trims, and appliques, just different fabric ribbons as well, felt ribbons. Yeah, I will put a diversity of beautiful items inside. Then for the papers, I have a selection of papers right now. I am waiting for a couple of things to come in, but I will expect them like maybe next week. When they're in, you will see them as well in the total kit as I present the kits to you. But this is the first one that will come in the kit as well. This is the back of it. I will try to put detailed pictures of the paper pads themselves from internet to show you up and close how they look. And this is a specialty paper. I only have one of these, so only one kit will have this vellum piece. It's a 12 by 12 printed vellum, and of course it has so many diverse projects, ideas for you to craft with. But yeah, this is a specialty one, so yeah, I hope you're the lucky one to be able to purchase that one. This is beautiful cupcakes. I love this one. It's called Pastry Party. I will be adding some gorgeous pastry elements as well to the kit. And this is the back. And this is also one of my favorites, the beautiful garden houses. It's called Cottages and Greenhouses. Such a beautiful, beautiful, I love the colors, I love this detail here. As I said, I will be sharing with you the detailed pictures of the papers themselves. And this is also such a beautiful romantic one. Yeah, I can see this one already with a hoop like so. And yeah, just perfect in combination with something like this. Just cute, just loving it. So yeah, just some ideas for you on how to use your elements if you get them. And yeah, of course, these are so different, but still quite beautiful to combine. And this is such a beautiful color as well, so fresh. And this is the back. Let me see how this one is called. It's called Blossom in Blue. So, and of course a chipboard piece, and this one has 53 pieces. Sorry. 53 pieces, as you can see here. And these are so beautiful. They have like larger pieces, even smaller ones, the cupcakes. Yeah, this is just really perfect. I just love it. Yeah, just love the combinations of the color of this collection. And yeah, just giving it ideas, giving you also some ideas on yeah, just what you can craft, how you can combine things, yeah, using the hoops, using these beautiful elements themselves into your projects that you will be creating using my kit. So as I said, stay tuned. This is just a sneak peek of what you can expect in the kit. And of course, I will be adding some items from my own stash as well, as vintage items and handmade items. So this will be a very beautiful, exclusive kit for you to create with, to craft with, and to be inspired by, I hope. So stay tuned for that, and stay safe, and hoping you all are doing well and having some time to craft. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.